everyone, my name is Real and come with us to our Bantayan Island trip. So here's our day one, guys. We just took a bus from the Carmen bus stop since we're from the northern province part of Cebu. On our way to Kawit Port, we just took a nap sa bus lang. After a few hours, we arrived at the Kawit Port already and pinababa kami ng bus since 5 a.m. yung linya pabili ng ticket papuntang Santa Fe. So here's the ticket of Aznar Shipping. Ito yung sasakyan namin papuntang Santa Fe. After we bought a ticket, we just stroll sa Kawit Port, guys. And there's a lot of fresh fish since it's very early in the morning. Make sure to follow their page, guys.
Hello! Follow, like, and share, guys, sa JM Lutano. Salamat! Ay mga idol, may buntag no? Natin meron sa pantalan sa Kawit, namligay may isda. Pakipalo rin kang Master Lolong Vlog. Dagan salamat, Ogpan, JM Lutano.
Okay, thank you. We just stroll and talk some stuff since 6:30 a.m. pa yung barko namin. Pinapasok na kami ng barko since it's already 6:30 a.m. in the morning. So yeah. After a few hours of waiting, we just arrived at Bantayan Island. And as you can see, Bantayan never gets old. Papunta na kami ng accommodation namin, guys, which is the Adelaida Pension Hotel. So we just took our brunch at the Coco Cafe since di pa kami pwede makapasok sa room since yung check-in namin is 2 p.m. pa. So here's the place, guys. The ambience is so good. That's me and my ate, guys. Yeah, this bowl is so very good. And our food also is so very, very good. I'll rate it 10 over 10. After we took our brunch, we just go to 360 Pharmacy para bumili ng meds. Tapos nag-buko break na rin kami. Yan. After that, we just walk patungo ng accommodation namin. We immediately go to Kota Beach Resort since gusto nilang mag-billiards. After that, nagluto na rin kami ng dinner namin at pagkatapos ay natulog. So here's our day 2, guys. Maaga kaming gumising dahil gusto namin makita yung sunrise. Kaya yun, nag-sunrise pics kami tapos nag-enjoy na rin sa view. Yan. After that, we immediately go to the market since we want to buy some food for our breakfast. Yan, ganda-gandahan lang. So, here's our breakfast, guys. So, after we took our breakfast, guys, nag-ready na kami para sa day 2 trip namin kasi marami kaming pupuntahan at nakalista na rin yun para hindi kami malito. Our first stop is the Coconut Road. Nag-picture kami dyan. Tapos pumunta na rin kami ng Ubo Mangrove Garden Eco Park. At yan, naglakad-lakad. At nag-picture na rin.
Parang walang water sila. Parang walang water ang mga mangrove dito.
After sa Eco Park, pumunta na rin kami ng Sandera Beach para maligo. The beach here is so nice. Like very, very nice. Matagal din kami dito kasi yung dagat is so very lamig. After namin maligo, pumunta kami ng The Ruins. So we just took some pics here. And yeah, hindi na kami naligo since yung tubig is so very malalim. After namin sa The Ruins, pumunta kami ng The Hungry Beach Club para kumain ng lunch namin. Yeah. So, here's the view, guys, and also the food.
Sawa na si Alin yan.
After we took our lunch, pumunta kami ng Municipality of Bantayan para bumili ng maiinom namin mamayang gabi. Dito sa The Prince. After that, umuwi na rin kami para mag-ready sa dinner namin. So we took our dinner sa Amihan, which is, the ambience is so very good. Masarap din yung food nila, guys. So, I would recommend Amihan if gusto nyo mag-dinner sa Bantayan. After we took our dinner, umuwi na rin kami. Hindi na kami nag-night party sa Bantayan since natatired na yung mga tao. Dito na rin kami uminom at nag-chika-chika. So, here's our day 3, guys. And last day also, late na kami nagising. I think mga 11 a.m. na. So, nag-ready lang kami saglit papuntang Santa Fe Beach Club para kumain ng lunch namin. So, here's the view. I would recommend Santa Fe Beach Club, guys, if gusto nyong kumain doon. After we took our lunch, pumunta kami ng Bantayan Dried Fish Market para bumili ng mga pasulubong sa mga parents natin. Tapos nag-stroll lang saglit. Nag-stop by na rin kami sa Bantayan Church pero di kami pumasok dahil naka-shorts kami, baka bawal. Pagkatapos namin sa church, naisipan naming mag-Lagoon Beach. So yeah, pumunta kami ng Lagoon. Ito yung daanan papunta doon. So yeah. Here's the Baigad Lagoon Beach. The place is so very nice, guys. Perfect for family and friends. Rest lang kami saglit na para bang siya ang main character sa kanilang 5. Pagkatapos nito, umuwi na rin kami papuntang accommodation dahil last day na nga namin. Yeah, pauwi na kami, guys, and I think Bantayan will always have a place in our heart. That's it. Bye!